pain. Hurry, examine it from every side. I will try to hold them off. I've seen this before! Oh, it's you! I escaped, but barely. Is here.
Which way, I wonder?
I would love to publish these findings. Now, to understand what they are. This sound is horrifying. Can you hear it? Is this an illusion?
You could live forever.
Do you see that?
No more danger. You can rest now.
We have to remember. Otherwise, I dare not think about it. What I heard, I dare not describe. Help is here!
No more danger. You can rest now.
We have to remember. Otherwise, I dare not think about it.
It is done.